Hi everyone, Mats Renström here, once again answering a question related to business excellence. And today I'm going to answer the question, where should you start to design your processes? At the top or at the bottom? First of all then, what do I mean with top or bottom? Everything is related to the business structure. And what is the business structure? Briefly, as I have another video explaining this in detail, the business structure is the structure showing all these different processes that we have in a business and how they relate to each other. So here we see A, B, C, and D. So this is the top layer of the business structure. So a business structure actually shows then how processes or sub-processes relates to each other, how they interact. So if this is the top layer then, should we start here or should we start at the bottom level where we have activities showing us the actual flow of creating the value to our customers? The answer is both. You should start both at the top and at the bottom. Confusing? No, not really, because when you start at the top, you need to do that in order to get the big picture. How is the general map looking? How are you actually seeing the world as a team? You have to be consistent with what you see and how you actually interpret the reality and how you describe it. But you also need to work here in the bottom, to work with those detailed activities, because those are the one that creates the value to the customer, and those are the one that you actually want to enhance as much as possible. They are the ones that should be as efficient as you possibly could make them. So these activities may then be formed in a number of sub-processes. So if we say then that these activities is within this sub-process, which is within another sub-process, which is this one. So these activities is within that one, these sub-processes within that sub-process, and this sub-process, just to make it easy, is within the sub-process D. So this is then D2, as this is D1, this is D2 1, D2 2, and D2 3, showing them how they actually relates to each other. Of course, this is just names that I came up with now. So what happens then if you start on top and in the middle? What happens is that you will meet in the middle to form the whole structure. Here you will have the whole structure built. You will not have the whole structure in the wide, but you will have it connected from the activity through this one, D22 to D2 to D. So here you can actually zoom in. That doesn't mean that you have designed D23, D1 over here, but now you actually connected the top layer and the bottom layer, and that is important to understand how actually everything is related to each other. I hope this video helps you to design your processes in a better way. If you like to have more free material like this one, please visit matsrenström.com. And remember, as always, it's your skills and your commitment that will help you and your organization to achieve business excellence. See you.